Step 1. Check all accessories in the package. Step 2. Count the hooks on the track 2. Ensure they match the number of buckle tape or hook tape attachments on all curtain panels. Unscrew the screws at the head of the track. Count the extra hooks and cut the strings with scissors to remove them. Then re-secure the screw as it was before. Only the split drawing opening direction is required. Cut the string at the center of the track, ensuring the curtains can be drawn from both sides. Step 3. Use the screws to attach the ceiling brackets to the marked installation points on the ceiling, but do not fully tighten the screws yet. Step 4. Attach the anti-slide plate to the head of the inner track to keep it securely in place. Demonstration. Use the ceiling bracket small to mount the inner track, and the ceiling bracket large for the outer track. Step 5. Secure the track onto the ceiling bracket. Step 6. Tighten all the screws securely. Demonstration. Unlock the track from the ceiling bracket. Place the hooks into the track, ensuring the number matches the buckle tape or hook tape attachments on all curtain panels. To connect the two tracks, unscrew the screw on the aluminum connector. Slide the aluminum connector to both ends of the two tracks. Make sure that the holes align. Then tighten the two screws securely.